Hello everybody, welcome to my series of video tutorials about Maltego Chlorine Community Edition. This is Silent Null speaking, and in this video I will show you what kind of informations you can get from DNS name entity. So let's start by drag and drop a new DNS name. I'm going to use the default value, as you can see, alpine.paterra.com, and the first transfer that I will run will be the to IP address. With this transfer, I can get the IP address of this DNS name. Within the zone file, this IP should be related to the A record type for DNS. Okay, what else? With this DNS name, I can also get the domain that is related to it. So in this case, for alpine.paterra.com, I get paterra.com, so I get this domain, and also I can guess if this DNS name is a website, and Maltego will query the port 80 just to make sure that this is a website or not. Okay, in this case, yes, we have a website called alpine.paterra.com, as you can see here, and I will suggest just to review these two dynamic properties that you can see in this property window. The first one called HTTP ports. It shows you the 80 port is the port that Maltego has requested, just to make sure that this is the website. And more interesting information is related to the server type. As you can see here, you see that this is an Ubuntu operating system. This Apache, the version of Apache is 2.4.7. It's using the model mod GK. The version of PHP is 5.5.9. That's one. The Python that is installed, the version number 3. Also the core 276, using OpenSSL, the version 1.0, and so on. So you have a lot of information from the server. And the last info that you can get from DNS is just to enumerate hosts. And in order to do that, I'm going to use a new graph. Let me drag and drop a new DNS name. Let's change this value and replace with another value. In this case, I'm going to type mail.paterra.com, and imagine that I want to know if within the zone file there are references to, for example, mail001.paterra.com, or mail002.paterra.com, or mail003.paterra.com. So I want to make a request with this type of information, and in order to automate this query, I can use the enumerate host names numerically. First one, I will type the range start. From my example, I would like to start with the number 1 and end with the number 5, and the pattern is the number of digits that the transfer is going to use. So in my case is 3, and if I click run, and if there are records within the zone files, I can see 01 mail paterra, mail 2.paterra.com, mail 3, and you can make search very quickly by following this type of patterns. Okay, that's all for my side. Just to summarize, let's review that. If you have a DNS name, you can get the IP address, you can get the domain, you can get the website listening for port 80, and also you can get valuable information from the dynamic property called server type. Just remember the version of Apache, the version of PHP, if it's using OpenSSL, and so on. And you want to make an automated query by using a pattern, and to try to find out if within this phone file um, there are records that match that pattern. You can use the enumerated host. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and please, if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel in YouTube, and I see you in the next video tutorial. Have fun. Bye.